The fourth move in the Spinal Hygiene series is known as Spinal Twist. This one, you're going to be holding the same position, feet shoulder width apart. And I'm going to start by just showing you, it is a twist from side to side, working the rotational plane, but there's a few little intricacies that I want to make note as I do this. So you're going to start by the head's going to lead, again, just like the first move. Your head's going to go as far as it can, turn your body, give a little pull, and back to center. Turn the body, head, and then the body, and then back to center. Turning the head, giving a pull in the body, back to center. And the opposite hip can kind of push forward as you turn. So right here, my left hip is pushing forward. And we're just doing this 3 to 5 minutes again is the recommendation. You might feel it in your arms. I like to pull and then release. Pull and release. Spinal twist, 3 to 5 minutes.